So your Firestick is more powerful than you think, and today I'll show you why. There's a secret method that unlocks a hidden library of over 60 powerful apps that aren't available in the official App Store. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to access that secret code, and then we'll install two game-changing apps. One completely free on-demand app, and the other a premium 4K streaming app that gives you access to 4K live TV, 4K on-demand movies, and even pay-per-view events. But listen carefully. After installing these apps, there's one last step you absolutely need to follow. Without it, you'll possibly experience a lot of buffering, freezing, and even connection blocks. So stick with me till the very end, because by the time we're done, your Firestick will be completely transformed. Alright, let's start with step number 1. Head over to your home screen on any Fire TV device and find the search magnifier, this icon right here. Now scroll down and click confirm on the search bar. The keyboard will open up and you're going to type in downloader, D-O, and as you can see, when we scroll down, downloader is already in the suggestions. Highlight it and click confirm. You'll be taken right here and it's going to be the first app you see with the orange and white. Click confirm, and in this menu you want to click confirm once again to start the downloading and installation process. All you have to do right now is just to wait patiently. Now when downloader is finished installing, you can now press the return button and you'll be returned back to the home screen. Now let's go to the next step. We want to go and enable developer options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the whole process. It's very easy. What we'll first have to do is enter our settings on our device. The easiest way to do this is heading over to the top right corner on your home screen. This icon right here. Now when you're there, you want to scroll down until you find My Device or My Fire TV. It's highlighted right here. Click confirm on it and you'll be taken to this menu. Now you see I have developer options. If you don't, that's totally fine. I'm going to show you right now how you can enable it too. You might also notice that I have a USB drive. That's because I've connected a USB stick to my Fire Stick. Now in the top menu you have About. Click confirm to enter it. In here we're highlighted on Fire TV Stick 4K Max. For you, it might say a different name depending on the Fire TV device you have. That's totally fine. What you'll have to do is press the confirm button on your remote control 8 times to become a developer. After 8 times, you will become one. Now just click the confirm button until you see congratulations, you are now a developer. As you can see, I'm currently already a developer. Now after you've pressed it 8 times, you can press the return button and you will now see the developer options appearing. Enter it, and the first thing you want to do here is you want to enable ADB debugging. Just click the confirm button, just like that, and that's done. Now you want to scroll down, highlight install unknown apps, and click confirm on the remote control. And you want to scroll down until you highlight downloader and click confirm to enable install unknown apps through the downloader app. Now that's done and we can press the home button and we'll be taken back to the home screen. Now we're going to find the downloader app. And the easiest way to do that is by heading over to your apps. And you can find your apps icon right here. Click confirm on it and you'll find the downloader app and any latest app you install always at the very end. Click confirm to enter the app, and the first time opening it up you can click confirm to allow. It will hide this message, and click confirm once again to also hide this message. Go ahead and scroll up until you're at the search bar. Click confirm on the remote control and type in this code 234753. Highlight go and click confirm. Wait patiently for downloader to connect with the application and you might see this message pop up or not, but all you have to do is scroll with the cursor until you're on top of the accept button right here and click confirm on it. So you might receive that pop up or you might not. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. And after that, just wait patiently. After it's done, it's going to pop up this menu to install the application. All you have to do is scroll down and scroll to the right to highlight install and click confirm on the remote control. That's it. Now it's installing and it's already done. So we're not going to open it up just yet. Click confirm on done. Delete the file so you'll free up some space. Press the home button on your remote control and head over back to your settings gear on the home screen. Top right corner, right there. And go to my device or my Fire TV. And you want to enter developer options again. Enter install unknown apps. And toggle on the app we just installed. Just like that. That's it. Press the home button. And let's go and find the application we just installed in your apps all the way in the end. There you go. And click confirm on it. Now, before entering the secret library code, it's really important to get a VPN. Not only does the VPN keep you safe and protected while you're online, it also lets you see much more links and content that your internet provider is blocking. This means you can find lots of more cool stuff in this app and other apps you use. Using a VPN also keeps your online activities private, so no one can see what you're doing. This makes your streaming experience much better. And if you don't have a VPN, this app won't work right because your internet provider blocks access to it. So make sure to get the VPN. Scan the QR code or visit the link in the description. Now let's click confirm on add a new library. And click confirm once again, and it's going to pop up the keyboard, and we're going to type in the secret code you've been waiting for. It's going to be fire tweaks. Exactly how I am typing it over. Make sure you do it correctly. Fire tweaks. Just like that. Now highlight next and click confirm. Now it's gonna load up this library. Now as you enter this secret code, you'll be greeted by a welcoming message. Now if you're truly looking to cut the cord and free yourself from all the excessive prices, take a moment to read the welcoming message. You won't regret it. I use it every day. There's a link in there. Visit it. It has completely changed the way I enjoy all my content. Don't miss out. Now, if you're ready, you can click confirm and you'll enter the library. All right, time to unlock the hidden vault. Once you entered the library and you've carefully read the welcoming message and took a note of my top recommendations, these are my personally go-to apps that I handpicked. They're reliable, powerful, and the same ones I use every single day, including the service. And now you have access to over 60 applications. Now, if you scroll down twice, you'll see and explore all the categories we have. The first category will be #1 top apps. The second one will be highly recommended. #3 will be adults. #4 will be sports. #5 will be movies. #6 will be live TV. Then we have App Store with more apps. We have Kodi, media players, tools, VPN, and lastly, YouTube. I want you to scroll all the way down because now we're going to demonstrate on how to install 2 apps. But after we install these, do not install more apps or do not open them. We still got the last step to go to prevent buffering happening or freezing. So the first app is going to be the free app loaded with content. It's this one right here. Just click confirm on the remote control and click confirm once again to start the downloading process. Here you can just wait patiently for it to get finished. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment or two. And after it's done, it's automatically going to pop up an installation pop-up. Right, this one. Click confirm once again. You'll be taken right here, highlight install and click confirm. And that's it. Then we have the premium 4K app. This one is my personal favorite. It offers full 4K streaming, live TV in 4K, on-demand 4K titles, and even live pay-per-view events. And it all has smooth quality. So click confirm on it, same process as before. It's super easy. Just click confirm to start the downloading process. And yeah, again, don't forget after this, we got that last step to prevent buffering happening. Just wait patiently and it's automatically gonna pop up the install pop-up right here. Highlight install and click confirm. That's how easy it is. Now, after it's done, you can go on your home screen and you'll find the apps we installed in your apps in the very end. Now, this is where most people go wrong. When you use apps from outside the official Amazon App Store, your internet provider might throttle your speed, causing endless buffering or even blocking the connection. Now, to prevent this, you need to protect your device with a VPN. A VPN encrypts your traffic, means you'll get full speed access with no slowdowns, no spying, and no buffering. Now I'm gonna make it super easy for you to get one. All you have to do is to follow along with this last few steps. If you're in the US, Canada, or in the UK, you might receive something like this from your internet provider after using certain apps. Your browsing activity and the apps you use are fully visible to your internet provider, putting your privacy at serious risk. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, you need a reliable VPN like IPVanish. I'm going to show you how to get the best deal and walk you through installing and using it on your Firestick. I've chosen IPVanish because it ranks as one of the best and most affordable VPNs. Plus, you can install it on all your devices with no limitations on the number of devices. This is by far my top recommendation when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying apps like these. And not only that, it will also bypass all those restrictions your internet provider is putting on your devices. Now, before I open any of these apps, I always make sure my VPN is turned on. Now I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is open any browser on your phone, tablet, or PC and go to this website. You can also take out your camera and scan the QR code. Additionally, I'll also leave the link in the description. Now on this website, you'll see an exclusive discount. Choose your plan, or just try it for 1 month. Complete your purchase, and once you do, they'll email you with a confirmation with your username and password. After that, you're ready to secure your Firestick. On your Firestick, go to the home screen, then find the search icon. Scroll down and click on the search bar. And when the keyboard pops up, type in IPVanish. Select the app from the list. In this menu, click download to start the downloading and installation process. Once installed, go to the home screen, click on all apps icon right here, scroll down and find the IPVanish app. Click the menu button on the remote control, select Move, and place the app all the way to the top. Click Confirm. Now open the IPVanish app and log in with your username and password. Now before we hit connect, I want to show you a few settings. Scroll down and select the settings gear. You'll see a menu appear on the other side of your screen. Now I've highlighted where it says connect on Android Startup. If I click the confirm button and turn this on, you won't have to worry about turning on your VPN every time you power up your device. The VPN will connect automatically, so you won't have to interrupt your movie to check if it's on. It'll do it for you. IPVanish also offers split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN. This is perfect for keeping local apps showing local content when needed. It allows you to route some of your apps or network traffic through the VPN, while other local apps access the internet directly without going through the VPN. And here you'll also have easy access to your account information, and you can contact support if you have any questions or concerns. Alright, now hit the return button and select connect. You might see a pop-up asking if you're sure if you want to connect to the VPN. Just click OK. Give your system a moment, and once you see your country light up in green, you know you're protected. You also see a timer showing how long you've been connected. Now that that's done, simply click the home button on your remote control. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you safe and secure. Now you can use any of these applications and enjoy unrestricted content while staying anonymous. No more internet provider letters ruining your day. And there it is. Your Firestick is now fully upgraded. You've unlocked a hidden app store, installed 2 top-tier streaming apps, and secured your connection to stream with 0 interruptions. If you grabbed the VPN, thank you very much. That helped keep this channel going so I can continue sharing guides like these. Plus, you have protected yourself. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss an update. And drop a comment below to show your support. An emoji is also enough. Now enjoy your new streaming setup, and I'll catch you in the next one.